家风情
Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情每日一课语。
Hey there, it's time for another round of Practical Hakka on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Josephine. And this month we're teaching you colors, right? But what about bright colors? 鲜艳的又怎么来说呢？
明又亮的，
明又亮的，
就是明又亮。
That means it's clear and it's bright. For instance,
什么颜色？
黄色吧，对，我也觉得黄色是最亮的，好鲜艳的。黄色是很鲜艳的颜色。Yellow is a very bright color.
黄色黑，
黄色黑，
明又亮的色木，
明又亮的色木。Okay, 色木就是颜色 right? 色木 that means color, and then 黄色叫做
黄色。
黄色 Okay, that's yellow. It's a very bright color. 那有时候红色也会很鲜艳，尤其擦口红的时候。
是在嘴唇上面。
Yeah, Alice got like some bright lipstick on right now, so let's teach you that. 你今天涂了鲜艳的口红，很漂亮。
根本日够嘞。
根本日够嘞。
明又亮的颜值。
明又亮的颜值。董强，
哎呀，暗自 say
哎呀，真的是董强啊，很漂亮。That means very beautiful. And then the lipstick 口红叫做
颜值。
颜值 Okay, that's a lipstick. You have put on some bright lipstick. It's so beautiful. All right, let's review these practical phrases, including the color yellow, 黄色，
黄色，
黄色 and then lipstick 口红，
颜值，
颜值 and then bright colors 鲜艳的颜色，
明又亮的色木，
对不对？ There you go. Now you know how to say bright colors in Hakka. Thank you for listening to Practical Hakka.
是母太家。
汉字谁张买了？
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.